Hey friends, today I'm using the Love Brings Us Home transfer along with one of our 5x7 pallet frame boards. I took a piece of sandpaper and just sanded it down to expose some of what looks like the raw natural wood. For this transfer, I'm going to be using black velvet and Mauvelous chalk paste. So I'm going to go ahead, I fuzzed it up just a little bit because it is a super sticky transfer before I went ahead and placed it down. Now I'm going to use the Mauvelous, which I'm going to stir up to a nice yogurt-like consistency, along with the black velvet chalk pastes. And I will use Mauvelous on the house and black velvet to do the Love Brings Us Home. Make sure you stay tuned for the finished project pick. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to check out my online store. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.